Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to put in a text on a snap in your Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Now select your snap. Now here you can see the option of text. You have to press on this. From here you can text anything as you want. You can choose your font. That's it. So this is how to add text on a snap in your Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.